Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Chemistryy. So in the last video we had seen about the properties of colloids. So many properties of colloids we had seen in the last video. Today in the present video we are going to see about the topic that is coagulation or precipitation. So why the coagulation or precipitation takes place in the colloidal particles? What are the reasons for the coagulation or precipitation in colloids? Let us see. Coagulation or precipitation. That is, what are the reasons for coagulation or precipitation? That is, first one is addition of electrolytes. By the addition of electrolytes in the colloidal solution or particles, the coagulation or precipitation takes place. For example, that is, negative ion causes precipitation of positive ions and vice versa. That is, positive ions also causes precipitation of negative ions. So if we add the electrolytes, that is sodium chloride or potassium chloride, if we add any electrolyte, the coagulation or precipitation takes place. That is, a negative ion causes the precipitation of positive ions and positive ions causes the precipitation of negative ions. If the valency of the ion is high, then the precipitation power increases. So let us see the examples, that is aluminum, barium, sodium. Let us see the valency of these ions. If the valency of the ions increases, then the precipitation power also increases. Hexacyanoferrate ion, sulfate, chloride ion. So based on the valency, precipitation power takes place. Then the minimum concentration, that is millimoles per liter, required to cause precipitation of a sol in 2 hours. This is called as flocculation value. That is, in 2 hours, the minimum concentration, that is millimoles per liter, required to cause precipitation of a sol. That is, sol means colloid. So in the colloid, in 2 hours, the minimum concentration required to cause precipitation is the flocculation value. If this value is smaller, precipitation is greater. If the value is less, then precipitation is takes place higher. This is one reason. And the next one is by mixing two oppositively charged salts. That is, if we mix two oppositively charged salts, then the mutual coagulation takes place. That is, precipitation takes place because due to the migration of the particles from the surface. Okay, the particles migrate from the surface, and also the mutual coagulation takes place because of mixing two oppositively charged colloids. This is one reason that precipitation occurs. The another reason is boiling. If you boil the colloidal particle, the collisions takes place. Due to collision, the colloidal particles combine together and settle down. Settle down means it gets precipitated. So if you boil the colloidal solution particles, the collisions takes place. That is, if there is an increase in collision, then the colloidal particles combine together and settle down. It gets precipitated. So this is one reason. Boiling is the reason for coagulation or precipitation. Then let me see about the protective action. Protective action means to prevent the coagulation or precipitation in the colloidal particle. For example, a small amount of gelatin sol is added to gold sol to protect the gold sol. That is, to prevent the coagulation or precipitation that is to be taken in the gold sol, a small amount of gelatin sol is added to the gold sol to prevent the coagulation or precipitation. That is the protective action. Next one we will see about the gold number. What is meant by gold number? That is measure of protecting power of a colloid. That is protecting power to prevent the coagulation or precipitation in the colloid. Then the protecting power of the colloid prevents the precipitation. So the measurement of the protecting power is called as gold number. For example, to prevent the precipitation of 10 ml of gold sol on addition of the electrolyte 1 ml of 10% in ACl solution, number of milligrams of hydrophilic colloid, that is the number of milligrams of hydrophilic colloid, that is the protecting power of the colloid which prevents the precipitation of 10 ml of gold dissolved on addition of the NaCl, that is electrolyte, 1 ml of 10% NaCl solution. So, the measurement of the protecting power of the colloid is the reason. If the value of the gold number is smaller, greater will be the protecting power of the colloid. Let us see some the values of gold number of some colloids examples. For example, gelatin, the gold number value is 0.005 to 1, the range is between this, and egg albumin, the gold number value is 0.08 to 0.1, and gum arabic, that is the gold number value is 0.1 to 0.15, and also the potato starch, the gold number value is 25. So, if the gold number value is smaller, then the protecting power of the colloid will be greater. That is about the colloid gold number. So, in this video we will see about the coagulation or precipitation, what are the reasons for the coagulation or precipitation takes place in the colloidal particles. The first one is addition of electrolytes, next one is mixing of two oppositively charged colloids, another reason is boiling, then the protective action of the colloid, then the gold number. So, if you all like this video, please share this video, comment it and like it. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Chemistryland and also press the bell icon. Watch the full video. Thank you.